Hi guys, my name's Nihal from Solaire Connect. Today, I'm going to talk you through how to restart your GoodWe ESA system. The first thing we want to do is locate the inverter AC supply switch. So head on over to it. I've already got mine open. Make sure you're hitting the right switch. So they're usually the orange one and not the bypass switch. Flick that to the off position. Next thing you want to do is head on over to your batteries. Locate the power button on the battery and press and hold it for a bit over 5 seconds. Let go. All the modules have now turned off. Next step, remove the cover for your battery isolator switch and do that for all your modules. And flick that switch to the off position. The next step is to head on over to your inverter DC switch, located on the right hand side of the inverter when you're looking at it, and flick this to the off position. We've successfully shut down the system. Just give it a couple of minutes to completely de-energize before moving on to the next step. We've waited now for a little while for the system to completely de-energize. First, we want to start off by turning the battery breakers back on. So back to the DC isolator switches for the batteries, turn them back into the on position. And similar to last time, press and hold the power button for over 5 seconds to turn on all the modules. And let go. The next step is to go back to the inverter DC switch, located on the side again, put that back into the on position, and finally, we're turning on the AC supply again. So back to the AC isolator switch, put that into the on position, and now we're going to wait for the system to re-energize and get back into production. During this process, you probably heard some relays clicking in. That's just your inverter rebooting back up. My lights have come back onto the system and my system is now generating power. Do not forget to put your covers back on once the system starts getting energized. And that's it. You've successfully done a GoodWe ESA restart. Hope this helps and have a sunny day. Take care.